Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on my favorite festival. You can also write this content under the topic Write an essay on your favorite festival Diwali or write an essay on Diwali. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Diwali is my favorite festival. It is a happy time when we light lamps and candles to make our homes bright. We draw colorful rangoli designs at our doorstep and the whole neighborhood looks beautiful. The whole neighborhood comes alive with colorful decorations. What I love most about Diwali is the vibrant atmosphere it creates. I love Diwali because we get to wear new clothes and eat yummy sweets like laddus and jalebis. We also exchange gifts with our family and friends. Bursting fireworks in the evening is so much fun, and the night sky is filled with colorful lights. It is a special time when we pray to Goddess Lakshmi for good luck and prosperity. It reminds us to be kind and good to others. Diwali signifies the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. This powerful message of hope and positivity resonates deeply with me. But most of all, Diwali is about spending time with our loved ones and sharing happiness. It is a time to be thankful and spread joy to everyone around us. That is why Diwali is the best festival.